You keep dreaming about a shadow, it's always there. Watching, following. You try to run, but it moves when you move. You're scared. But what if that shadow was you? Welcome to Drawn to Philosophy. Today we dive into the strange war inside the human psyche. A battle between desire and the unknown, the logical and the dreamlike. Freud versus Jung, the analyst versus the alchemist. Your mind versus itself. Let's set the scene. On one side, Sigmund Freud. Yeah, the guy who put your mom in your dreams. Viennese neurologist, father of psychoanalysis. He turned neuroses into stories, and dreams into puzzles made of repressed desire. On the other, Carl Jung, Swiss psychiatrist, symbol chaser, and part-time mythologist with a taste for dreams and dragons. He started as Freud's protege, then broke away when things got too Freudian. Both men agreed. The conscious mind is just the tip of the iceberg. But beneath it, Freud's mind is a house with locked doors. Inside, your childhood traumas, sexual urges, and ego battles all fighting for room. It's like an opera where everyone wants to be the main character. Jung's mind is more like a cave, not scary but sacred. He saw dreams not as wish fulfillment, but as messages from something deeper, something shared. Let's break down their philosophies. Freud. You're built from drives, sex, aggression, survival. You repress what you can't handle. And your dreams? Little escape valves for your secret desires. Jung. You're not just yourself. You're a mosaic of ancient patterns. Dreams are mythic messages from the collective unconscious. Symbols, like snakes, mothers, or masks, don't just mean one thing. They echo across humanity. Imagine your mind is a haunted mansion. Freud goes room to room with a magnifying glass, labeling every ghost with Latin names. Id, ego, superego. Ah yes, this specter. That's unresolved Oedipal tension. Jung? He sits with the ghosts. He asks them for their stories. He believes even monsters have something to teach. Take Jung's concept of the shadow, the parts of you that you deny, repress, or ignore. To him, becoming whole means confronting it. Freud's therapy. Lay on a couch, talk it out. Free associate until you trip over your own secrets. Think detective meets confessional booth. Jung's therapy. Draw your dreams. Map your mind. Enter a symbolic journey toward the self. Less fix me, more know thyself. One unearths your past, the other uncovers your myth. They started as allies. Freud called Jung the crown prince of psychoanalysis. But Jung wanted to go deeper, into mysticism, alchemy, even the occult. Freud saw that as dangerous. Jung thought Freud was obsessed with sex. Their friendship? A slow-motion car crash of letters, pride, and philosophy. But in their wreckage came two powerful paths. So what do we have? Freud. The conscious mind is fragile. The unconscious is a closet full of secrets. Fix it and you become free. Jung, the self is a mystery. The unconscious is a mirror and a myth. Understand it and you become whole. Two thinkers, one mind, endless interpretations. So, which path would you take? Freud's surgical analysis of desire? Or Jung's dream-laced voyage into the soul? Whichever you choose, just remember, your mind is not a machine to be repaired. It's a story waiting to be drawn. What's your theory of the mind? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more philosophical comparisons.